the Most Honorable Director of Studies, Pondicherry University, Professor S. Balakrishnan, the Most Respected Dean, School of Management, Professor Chandrasekhar Rao sir, the Speaker of the Day, respected Regional Director, Reserve Bank of India, Patna, Mr. Davesh Patel, who gave immediate permission for this lecture, the most distinguished alumnus of DMS, Mr. Brijraj, General Manager, Reserve Bank of India, HODs of different departments, esteemed faculty colleagues, former professors of DMS and SOM, HODs of MBA programs of affiliated colleges, research scholars, my dear students, administrative support staff, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. Today is the most auspicious day for the Department of Management Studies and erstwhile School of Management, Pondicherry University, as it is celebrating its 35th Foundation Day. The School of Management was established as the first academic entity and as one of the flagship schools of Pondicherry University on November 19, 1986. And since then, it has grown tremendously. DMS has its tagline, developing managers as entrepreneurs, technocrats, CEOs, academicians, bankers, corporate leaders, CMDs, and many occupying coveted and high positions in academia and industry, both in India and abroad. Coming together is beginning. Keeping together is progress. Working together is success, said Henry Ford. The DMS takes pride in having the legacy of School of Management, and it has established strong industry-focused teaching programs and cutting-edge research. The DMS has grown in leaps and bounds, having 250 plus MBA students, 86 plus research scholars, 120 plus PhDs awarded, 1,000 plus publications by eminent and highly qualified faculty members, more international MOUs, more foreign students, student exchanges to foreign partner universities, more recruiters, more research projects, more B-School awards, and lot of achievements and laurels by students and faculty. DMS has always been providing leadership both in academic and administrative activities. For example, if you take DMS faculty led new MBA programs such as tourism, international business, banking technology in the initial stages and provided a solid foundation. Many senior DMS faculty have assumed deanship of School of Management and provided a visionary leadership. DMS has also pioneered in starting an industry-relevant MBA program on data analytics. Currently, many SOM DMS faculty occupies many administrative positions and extending their expertise for the university administration. Not finance, not strategy, not technology. It is teamwork that remains the ultimate competitive advantage, both because it is so powerful and so rare, said Patrick Lencioni. The alumni network of DMS is very powerful in terms of exchanging their expertise for curriculum, evaluation, internships, placements, consultancies with alma mater, and DMS is also outreaching its alumni to leverage on their strength and provide support to them in terms of continuous education like EDPs, MDPs, etc. Today is the D-Day for Department of Management Studies, and it will be recorded in the annals of DMS as we are commemorating the 35th Foundation Day, with last week having invited the 35th batch of MBA students, and today having a Foundation Day lecture on a very relevant topic, saying that the topic is on India, an emerging leader in digital payments, and it is going to be by not less than a central banker and our distinguished alumnus holding general manager position in RBI. The topic has relevance here that the India is emerging as global leader. Pondicherry University is emerging as a world-class university. School of Management is emerging as a center for potential eminence, and DMS is emerging as a top B school with global positioning, and people from DMS are emerging as leaders. given the today's topic, digital payments, as we all know the importance of digital payments, and we also experienced the use of digital payment gateways during the COVID lockdown. Now, with the leadership in IT, artificial intelligence, blockchain technology, Internet of Things, etc., it is quite sure that India is going to emerge as a leader in digital payment platform. And Mr. Brijraj, the speaker of the day, our distinguished alumnus, will share more insights on the topic. Now, to achieve the present status, our leader, Professor Gurmeet Singh, Vice Chancellor of Pondicherry University, has been providing the right guidance and support to take the department and school to a newer heights. Under his leadership, DMS signed so many MOUs for student and faculty exchanges, organized many international conferences, executive development programs, FDPs, workshops, and started a new program also. Professor Gurmeet Singh is a well-known administrator and academician with a vast research and teaching experience of more than 4 decades. And he is a world-renowned researcher in the field of corrosion science and smart materials and won many prestigious national and international awards. Professor is committed to take Pondicherry University to new heights, and we are very proud to follow our leader. He gave approval to hold this Foundation Day lecture with great interest, though he very much wants to join this program. Due to his preoccupation, he could not join, and he sent his wishes for the program. Now, coming to our Director Studies, Professor Balakrishnan is known for his innovative ideas, and he is leading the IQAC cell of our university. He is a well-known scientist and researcher in the field of earth science and an able administrator. His contributions in the development of student academic management system and research scholar management academic system has really helped every one of us to ensure academic continuity during the COVID crisis. Professor always sets very, very high standards for DMS and provides right guidance and support to achieve the same. On behalf of DMS and on my own behalf, I welcome our honorable directors. I welcome you, Professor. Next, I welcome our respected Dean, School of Management, Professor Chandrasekhar Rao, for his consistent and unconditional support and guidance for every new initiative that DMS takes, may it be EDP, FDP, or a new program, new course, everything. And he is also the chairman of Innovation Council, and he takes all out efforts to maintain the quality of education we provide at every department in School of Management, and at the same time encouraging all departments to follow all the contemporary practices. And today's DMS SOM Foundation lecture features one of our distinguished alumnus, Mr. Brijraj, who belongs to 95 to 97 batch, and presently holding a very, very high position in RBI, Central Bank of our country. I now welcome Mr. Brijraj for this foundation lecture, and I also thank him for readily agreeing to be with us for this program. And institutions are built by contributions of many individuals over a period of time, and I welcome all the former professors of this department to this Foundation Day lecture. I also welcome our Dean, Professor Chandrasekhar Rao, for this program. And I welcome all the HODs of School of Management, my esteemed colleagues, research scholars, MBA students, invitees, especially Mr. Davesh Patel, Regional Director of RBI Patna, who readily gave permission, deputed our alumnus to give this lecture, and all the alumni and everyone for this Foundation Day lecture.